Welcome to Tech Captain with another interesting video. Today we have some exciting news for all you Apple enthusiasts out there. For a while now, there have been rumors circulating about Apple working on a smart speaker with a built-in display to rival the Amazon Echo Show. Well, it seems that MacRumors has finally come across some concrete evidence to support these claims. According to MacRumors, they have discovered code on Apple's backend that strongly suggests Apple is indeed working on a mysterious home accessory. While the leak itself may not be conclusive, it is believed that this device could be the highly anticipated combination of a HomePod-like speaker with an adjustable touchscreen display. What makes this even more intriguing is the code name assigned to the device, a Home Accessory 17.1. This is the first Apple device to carry the Home Accessory tag, indicating that it belongs to an entirely new product category. This further supports the notion that this could be the revolutionary HomePod with display device, unlike anything Apple has released before. But that's not all. The code also reveals interesting details about the potential specifications of this home accessory. The number 17.1 is often used by Apple to indicate the chip that will be used in their devices. In this case, it is speculated that the A18 series of chips will be utilized, which is the same chip expected to power the upcoming iPhone 16 line. With the A18 chip, this home accessory would likely have enough processing power to support Apple Intelligence, their new AI platform, and the upgraded version of Furthermore, the code suggests that the home accessory might run on a variant of the tvOS used in Apple TV. Rumors have been circulating for some time about Apple working on an operating system specifically designed for smart home devices, or known as HomeOS. This variant could potentially be the first iteration of that operating system. The code even includes references to two unreleased Apple TV models, Apple TV 14.4 and Apple TV 14.5, which might be launched later in 2024. This newly discovered code has definitely piqued our interest, and it seems like we won't have to wait too long to find out more. Apple's special event in September, which is always highly anticipated, might just be the platform where they unveil this enigmatic new home accessory. That's it for now, but be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Stay tuned for updates on this intriguing Apple development.